Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a tool review and an updated video. The tool review is going to be on this Bauer Variable Speed Pro rotary hammer kit. And this one here, the model number is 164 or 1641E-B. And also this is the 1 1/8 inch SDS model. And so basically this one here has multiple functions. You can do it, you can put it in drill only mode, or you can put it drill and hammer mode. And the updated version is going to be on that chisel that I showed you guys in my previous video that I went ahead and converted from a 1 1/2 inch to a 4 inch. Also, this hammer kit here has a variable speed adjust on the other side. A second here, right there. Okay, and it goes from 1 to 6, and then it says max, also max. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready, set up on the floor. So basically what I'm doing here is, as you can see, I'm gonna be ripping up the old thin set that was used for laying down the tile. Previous contractor came in here, started ripping up the tile, didn't cover anything. See, I covered the TV, and in the kitchen I covered everything with plastic so as not to get the dust over everything. Okay, well, previous contractor neglected to do that, so for that he got fired. All right, but anyway, so yay for me, since I get this job now and making pretty good money on it. So anyway, so basically I'm going to set the camera on the tripod and show you how this hammer kit works. It actually works very well. As you can see, I have a pile there that I gathered up from when I was using only the 1 1/2 inch chisel. But let's see how it does with the 4 inch. Alright, I'll be back in 1 second. Also guys, I forgot to mention, make sure you put on all your PPE, gloves, eye protection, and face mask, because this creates a lot of dust, and you want to make sure that you got all that stuff on. Since I wear glasses, I have to wear a face shield because safety glasses doesn't fit well over my glasses. Also, because I'm going to be operating camera, I'm going to be wearing a glove on my right hand, so forgive me for that. Alright, here we go. Wow. That was crazy. I'd say that's a win right there. That thing was like ripping that up like nothing. And having the 4-inch wide chisel makes it so much easier, covers so much more distance with that. But I'm loving it. And hopefully my chisel will last a while because it's not tempered, with heat, but I guess from the welding, there's a lot of heat added to it. So hopefully that should make it nice and strong. Like I said, all I need to do is keep lightly filing the edges, make sure it's good to go. But wow, not only that, it also increased my chisel from a 10-inch to like a 12.5-inch long chisel, which the 3-inch one is 12 inches. But so there you go, guys. I'd say the hammer kit worked well, the updated chisel worked well, so I'm really happy because you can see that I have, well, basically I have the whole house to do. I still have to do the living room, the bedroom, the master bedroom, the bathroom, and then the kitchen area where I showed you earlier. But yeah, there you go. I am happy. I am excited. So once again, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't done so, also hit the little bell button so you can get updated notifications from me when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.